I am Sonia Purohit from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. In previous video, we have discussed different type of separation method. If we want to pick our wheat and rice, just like at your home, your mother do this work. He use, in this picture, a person use his hand and separating husk and stone from the grains. Means grains and husk and dirt particles are separated by the hand of the man. In another picture, we can see that with the help of blowing air or fan, we can use a heavier and lighter material far from the mixture of substances. In this mixture, heavier particle leave in the bottom and lighter particle go away with the help of air. In this picture, in the sieving, we can see that pure flour goes down into the container and impurities which are present in the flour are left or remain on the container known as sieve. Continuity in this chapter, we are discussing today solution. Different type of solution we will discuss in this part. Solution. If we want to make salt solution or any type of juices, then we want different type of material. Just like if we want to make salt solution, then we want salt and water. After this, we stir in the container and salt completely dissolve in the water, disappear in the water and make their solution. Solution, a mixture of two or more solid. Solid means solute. In a liquid solvent, make solution. Means two or more things are required to make a complete solution. Solute and solvent. Solute means whatever we mix in the solvent, these are known as solute. It may be liquid, solid, any. Solvent so means liquid. Water. Water is universal solvent. That's why we use to mix anything to make solute for water and make solution. Just like we take a salt, water and we make our salt solution. Saturated solution. First take a container or pan, pour water and mix salt in the water. We mix more and more salt in the water, then sometimes we see that salt completely dissolve and disappear in the water. But after some time, when we put more salt in the container, then we can see in the bottom salt easily. Saturated solution. A saturated solution is one in which no more of that substance can be dissolved. Means more solute present in the container, this is saturated solution. No need to mix more and more solution in the container. When dissolve and disappear means it is saturated solution. Husk and stone could be separated from grains by hand picking. We have already discussed about in the hand picking in detail. Husk is separated from heavier seed to grain by winnowing. We have already, and now we see in a mixture of sand and water, the heavier sand particles settle down at the bottom. First take a container or pan, pour water and mix soil in the water. After some time, stir it and we see that soil settle down in the water. And on the upper layer, we can see water. Bottom and the water can be separated by decantation. Means decantation is another process which is used to separate sand and water. Evaporation. In the evaporation, water convert into vapor. Evaporation can be used to separate a solid dissolved in a liquid. That's why if we want to dry a cloth in the sunlight, they can easily dry. With the help of sunlight, water convert into vapor and go into the sky, and we can feel our clothes are dry. Filtration can be used to separate component of a mixture of an insoluble solid and a liquid. More of substances can be dissolved in a solution by heating it. If we want to mix solution, sugar solution, then we mix with the help of a spoon, and after this, when we keep on the heating, they can easily dissolve in the water and we can get our sugar solution. Thank you.